how pass this door. Here is the hallway, here is the room, and we need to come to this room without any transition. So first take any pieces and lock. After that, these pieces I will install over here. So we need left only this little part, and we can glue it later. I show you how. So now we can lock this piece and take little short piece and check how it's fit. Oh, it's fit. No problem. I already undercut this metal door frame with jump saw, and I can show you now. Just these pieces, we can slide it under. It's good. We can slide it. So now, mark. We have to come with material inside this door frame. So usually just take quarter in and make mark. From this side take quarter in and make mark. Put piece exactly on the edge of this door frame and measure side. Here is 2 3/4 almost. We can take quarter less, it should be 2 1/2. So exactly on the edge it's gonna be 2 3. We can take 2 1/2. It's come in quarter. Measure 2 1/2. 2 1/2. So now we can cut with jigsaw. I always cut with bevel this side, and I never cut straight, because when we slide it in, I have warranty, it doesn't show up outside this gap. So another thing what we have to do, we have to cut this lock off. Take the knife, now it's ready. Look at this. It's fit. You don't see any gaps under, so everything fine. Next step, we have to cut this full piece. Okay, take this piece. So it should be installed like this. Flip it to another side. Attach to the floor. Here we have lock. It's approximately quarter, and we have gap, and here we mark exactly on this line. This is laminate cutter. Put it in exactly on this line. Here is blade. And cut. That's it. I put here glue for secure this board. Now when we lock these two boards, secure it and keep it for a couple of hours.